Got Lux Turner and Carson Mumford. We're gonna go ride and just have some fun.
Got a couple of laps in out there. It was super fun. Trying to hold on to this fire-breathing demon that I bought. I think I'm gonna need to get a Vortex and tune this bitch down because it's trying to take me out, I swear.